Hello and welcome back to another episode of my model railway journey. The video you're about to see, I keep forgetting to record intros. I think it's because I'm so excited. I'm like a little kid in a candy store. The video you're about to see is me visiting a model shop in Colne, Lancashire, called West End Models. I was on my own today. Cameron was working, and so was Harvey. So Rosie was also off on holiday. So it was basically I was the only one in the town. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna nip up to Colne and get some stuff. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you think about it. I'll see you shortly.
Otherwise, it will lose all system again. 5.99.
Part of me is now wishing I went Engage. A bit more fiddly to do, but price is quite decent. Is that I used to collect model trucks. They don't have the one that I want. But yeah, starting to wonder if Engage might be the way to go to fix my problem, which is size. Because I like that. I know it's coming up on the camera very well. But then I see stuff like this. I kind of want it. Are these actual runners then? I don't know, because it's cheaper. Kind of stuck. The Engage stuff does seem a little bit cheaper. But it looks like it's more fragile. And it's got some great stuff. I don't think scenic you want. Pico track. Someone mentioned that, didn't they? It's all end stuff, isn't it? Engage. Again, a little bit cheaper, but probably more fiddlier to do. Sitting that then in the corner of my eye. Right. Double O stuff's over here. Have a look. Pico. That's something I've definitely heard you guys speak about. Ooh. Well, it's scenery level yet. Some epic stuff. I do like these. They're store-bought, that'd be a must. So for you bus guys, that stagecoach one might have to come with me. A whole lot of room in there as well. That's a brilliant shop so far. What to do and where to start. So I was going to get some MDF boards from B&Q and get some cork. Is it cork?
Yeah.
Roll today.
Yeah.
And then maybe get some track to lay some tracks. But I'm trying to sort of figure out where the adventure's going to take me.
This is actually an engaged one.
Yeah.
But it's half size of the double O.
Yeah.
So whatever it said there,
Yeah.
you double it up.
Right. Okay.
Don't go off the track as quick as you. But it shows you different plans on what to do. And
Okay.
should you need that? See, stuff like that.
Yeah, that's the kind
Stuff
of
like that.
Yeah.
But it tells you its size.
Okay.
But you'd have to double it.
Right. Okay.
But we should get some more of these in a day or two. Well, it'll be next week now, obviously.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna pop back next week. Then I'm on holiday next week, so.
But you know, it gives you an idea.
Oh, okay. I didn't know these things existed. I'm assuming that they would,
Yeah.
but
Stuff like that.
yeah.
You know, and it's all helps. Different ones. But we'll have the double O one back in.
Okay. I'll probably pop. So yeah, strongly recommend coming here. I'll put a link in the video description below. The two gentlemen I've just spoken to are absolutely fantastic. They have plastic kits as well. But he just mentioned that they were going to be building a testing section so they could test their own railway. But yeah, they got a 156 down there as well, which I'm interested in, and he's got some Pacers coming. Though I am interested in these. But yeah, got some Pico rail. Gonna go get some plexi board, and hopefully we should have enough now to maybe get started. So the guys from West End Models were brilliant. Really giving them a shout out. I'll put their all the contact details in the video description. Got Pico flexible rail, think it's called. And then I got a Pico Streamline left-hand radius. So, and then I've got a stiff version of the track, which I'm probably going to cut down. I just need to get my Dremel out and do that. I did get some Pico rail connectors. However, unfortunately, between me coming out of the car, getting to the car and getting back, I may have dropped some. I don't know, so I've had to order some more. And I bought some cork. I've not yet bought the board. I have a board, but obviously I need to make sure it's plywood. So yeah, I'm going to check that out first and see what. But overall, it was a good day. I spent about £49. There's loads of great stuff in that place, and I cannot wait to get back there. He's got some paces. He said he's going to have some paces coming soon. So yeah, I'm so excited and so looking forward to it. I just need to do some overtime now, just to get everything sorted and ready for this new hobby of mine. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know in the comments by hitting the like button. Tell me what I should be looking out for next, if you can. Comment, and if you want to, send me some of your pictures of your railway. You can join our Discord. The link will be down below. More the merrier. Cheers, guys. See you soon.